Welcome to our channel. Used engines for sale in the USA, warranty included. 1. Start with your reason. Before you jump into the market, ask yourself why you're buying a used engine. Maybe your old one failed, maybe you want a cost-effective replacement. Defining your reason helps you focus on the right options. 2. Set a realistic budget. Engines vary widely in price. You'll see some under $1,000, others much higher depending on the model. By setting a clear budget early, you avoid wasting time on engines outside your range. 3. Verify compatibility. This is one of the most important steps. Always confirm that the engine you're considering is compatible with your car. Use your vehicle's make, model, year, and VIN number. Sellers will often need this to match you with the right engine. 4. Choose trusted sellers. Not every listing online is reliable. Stick with well-reviewed auto parts companies, salvage yards with a strong reputation, or specialized engine suppliers. This greatly reduces your risk of getting a poor quality product. 5. Ask about mileage. Mileage tells you a lot about an engine's life. Lower mileage usually means less wear and more years of service ahead. If a seller doesn't mention it, ask directly. You deserve that information before buying. 6. Request inspection or photos. If you can visit in person, inspect the engine. Look for signs of leaks, corrosion, or excessive dirt. If you're buying remotely, always ask for clear, detailed photos so you know exactly what you're getting. 7. Confirm the warranty. Never skip this step. A solid warranty is your safety net. Many sellers in the USA now include 6 months to a year of coverage. This protects you if the engine doesn't perform as promised. 8. Know what's included. Some sellers only provide the engine block, while others include components like the alternator or wiring harness. Always clarify what's in the deal so there are no surprises at installation. 9. Check delivery options. Engines are heavy and shipping isn't cheap. Ask whether the seller offers free delivery, charges extra, or requires local pickup. Factoring this in helps you calculate the true cost. 10. Get professional installation. Even the best engine can fail if it's installed poorly. Work with a mechanic who has experience with engine replacements. They'll ensure all the wiring, fluids, and adjustments are handled correctly. 11. Keep every document. Save your purchase invoice, warranty details, and any written communication. If you ever need to use your warranty or raise a concern, having proper records makes the process much smoother. 12. Test and maintain your engine. Once installed, take your car for a careful test drive. Watch for leaks, unusual sounds, or overheating. After that, keep up with regular oil changes and maintenance so your engine runs strong for years. Thank you for watching.